7 things that happen to a woman's body when she drinks coffee on an empty stomach. That morning ritual of reaching for the coffee pot before anything else is common. But for women, drinking coffee on an empty stomach can trigger a unique cascade of effects. While coffee has its benefits, having it without a food buffer impacts everything from hormones to digestion. Here's a look at 7 specific things that can happen inside a woman's body. 1. Your cortisol levels spike dramatically. Your body naturally produces cortisol, the stress hormone, in the morning to help you wake up. Coffee on an empty stomach significantly amplifies this production. For women, who are already more susceptible to hormonal fluctuations, this extra jolt of cortisol can increase feelings of anxiety, jitteriness, and stress, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of other hormones throughout the day. 2. Stomach acid production goes into overdrive. Coffee is acidic, and drinking it tells your stomach to produce hydrochloric acid. Without food to digest, this surplus acid has nothing to work on. This can lead to acid reflux or heartburn, indigestion, and an upset stomach. Over time, this can irritate the stomach lining, potentially contributing to conditions like gastritis. 3. It can wreak havoc on your gut health. For many women, a sensitive gut is a primary concern. The chlorogenic acid in coffee can increase the acidity in your digestive tract, potentially disrupting your gut microbiome. This can lead to bloating, gas, and even alter the healthy bacteria crucial for digestion, immunity, and mood regulation. 4. It may impact blood sugar regulation. Some research suggests that consuming caffeine before eating can make it harder for your cells to manage blood sugar after a meal phenomenon known as insulin resistance. For women, especially those with conditions like PCOS or those working to maintain stable energy levels, this can lead to energy crashes and sugar cravings later in the day. 5. You might experience coffee jitters more intensely. The caffeine from coffee is absorbed into your bloodstream much faster on an empty stomach. This leads to a rapid, sharp spike in energy rather than a gradual lift. For women, who often have a lower average body weight and different caffeine metabolism, this can mean more pronounced caffeine jitters, nervousness, and even heart palpitations. 6. It can deplete your mood-stabilizing minerals. Coffee is a diuretic, meaning it makes you lose water and essential minerals through urine. 2 critical minerals for women's health that can be affected are magnesium, which is vital for calming the nervous system and sleep, and calcium. Depleting these on an empty stomach can, over time, impact bone health and contribute to increased anxiety. 7. It could trigger dehydration faster. While coffee contributes to your fluid intake, its diuretic effect is more potent when consumed alone. Starting your day this way can lead to mild dehydration, which manifests as headaches, fatigue, and dry skin symptoms many women might not immediately link to their morning cup. The bottom line: a better way to enjoy your coffee. You don't have to give up your beloved coffee. The simple solution is to eat something first. Even a small handful of nuts, a slice of avocado toast, or a banana can provide a protective buffer in your stomach. This small change can help mitigate acid production, slow caffeine absorption for a smoother energy boost, and protect your long-term digestive and hormonal health. Listen to your body. If you experience any of these symptoms, try pairing your coffee with food and see if it makes a difference. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personal health concerns. Thanks for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And remember to stay tuned for our latest videos.